Namaste. This is Ganesh, social science teacher. Today we are going to learn about class 8th social lesson number 1, reading and analysis of maps. The lesson name is reading and analysis of maps. Okay, so map, the definition of map is a representation of a particular place. Okay, we know that maps. Then here let you just recall atlas. Atlas means what? The collection of maps together called as what? Atlas. You just recall even globals. Globe is means what? Globe means it's a model of the earth. Globe is a model of the earth. Atlas is a collection of maps. It's a book of collection of maps. Okay, now map means it's a representation of a particular place. It's a representation of a particular place. Then let you know, first of all, in this regard, see how many types of maps are there. You know already these things you have learnt about the types of maps. Just let you just write here. See, physical maps. Okay, physical map. Okay, next one is physical map. 1 minute. So I will write physical map. Next, political map. Political map. Next, thematical maps. Thematical map. So these are the 3 different type of maps will be. Just physical map means what? Then what is meant by physical map? Physical map means the map which shows about a particular place, physical features. Suppose if you take here India map, imagine India physical map shows the physical features it contains. What are the physical features are there for a particular place? Suppose that physical features of map, what are they from here to here? The peninsula. See, from here to here, what are they? Some like mountain, Himalayas are there, desert is there. So these are the physical features are there. So this map shows what? Physical features are there. This map shows the physical features. Next, political map means what? What is meant by political map? The map which shows the boundaries within a country. Suppose from here to here Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, like here Telangana. So the map which shows, what you have to understand here, the map which shows about the boundaries of a country, the state's boundary, maybe that shows the district boundary. The map which is showing about the particular boundaries within the country, known as what? Political map. Next, what is meant by thematical map? Thematical means theme. The map which contains of its own theme. Somewhere you could see if you are traveling on the road, so if you are moving with a speed, some signboard will be, example is what here, signboard. So in that go slow because of school zone. So school zone. So like that this type of symbols they just display this type of symbols with cards or like signboards. So the map which are showing a particular theme, that map called as what? Thematical map. Now we have seen 3 type of maps, so that we can write like that. See here, so maps. So maps are 3 type. What is that? Physical map. Next one is political map. Okay, political map. Next one is what? Thematical map. Okay, thematical map. So these are the best example. I already have told you. I wrote here. Physical map means what? Suppose India physical, the map which shows its own physical feature is called as what? Physical map. The map which shows about particular boundaries, that map is known as what? Political map. The map which shows a particular theme, that is called as what? Thematical map. These are the basic information regarding maps. Okay, now focus on next the differences between map and photos. What are the differences between the maps and the photos? the differences between the map and photos here we could see here. What are the map shows a particular place. Okay, map shows it is showing a particular place, the physical features like that particular place contain of plains or plateaus or like valleys or desert or a particular place climatical. These things will be known by whom? Map. But photo, we could not just, photo is nothing but it's a snap which shows only clear picture of a particular place, but it won't explain more than map. So these are the things. What is that differences between map and photos? Now come to our lesson. See here, maps of, maps of, how many maps are there? Even this history begins from BC period onwards. That today you are going to focus here. These are the important things. See here, Sumerians. According to your class, Sumerians. That is, where is the Sumerian? Sumerian nothing but Iraq. At present country is Iraq. Okay, Sumerian or Babylonian, both are Iraq country only. The first civilization in the world is Sumerian civilization. That is called as what? Mesopotamian civilization. Mesopotamian civilization. First people who started what is that? The maps. That they are what? Sumerian. Sumerians started maps. In the year of 4000 BC they started. For which purpose they started? Where they have written on that clay tablet. What is that? Clay tablet. You know tablet. Slate tablet, nothing but slate. We write the alphabets like that. Clay tablet. On that clay tablet they have written simple. Which purpose they started? In those days, see, they had collected much of money from its people. Where? On that Sumerian people. Okay, so this like you take example of Tirupati. In the Tirupati, that management, temple management people, they display amount daily, how much they got today. Yes, the total amount of offering of God today 4,000 or 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs. They say no. Likewise, Sumerian temples, they collect that amount, they count and they display. They display on a clay tablet. So this purpose, they started to prepare that. What is that? Maps. This is the little story regarding Sumerians. Next, Babylonians map. Already I have written here Babylonian map. See, they have given like this in your textbook. Babylonians, they are belonging to Sumerian civilization only. Okay. See, this is what 4000 BC. This is what 2600 BC. See, lot of variation period is there. After they got some little scientific approaches and they finalized that, oh my god, this is what actually, what is the difference between their tablet clay tablet and here what is that Babylonian world map? Because of this shows actually Sumerian clay tablet, they have shown only their Sumerian area only they have shown. But Babylonian people, they have written first time world map. That is the variation, world. Okay, world map. This is what world, because this Babylonian period people, they understand that, oh, the shape of the globe is geoid. See, new word has come, geoid, G-E-O-I-D, geoid. See, nothing but spherical shape. Okay, so they have shown the map in which shape? That is what? Geoid shape. Now next, they have written, they have located villages, Babylonian city and Bitter Sea also they have shown over there. Next, Hecataius. Okay, Hecataius is one of the geographer, one who written like this. See, this is globe. Okay, he drawn the first world map like this. This is Libya, Europe and Asia continent also he has drawn that one. Next, according to Bible also they have written first world map. According to Bible, 3 continents are there. One is Asia, Africa and Europe. And Al-Idrisi also, he also drawn map in the year of 1154 for his king from Arab. So these are the things from ancient maps that you needed to know in class 8, lesson number 1. Okay, thank you.